MMS MS10H 1-ton Mini Excavator. Compact power that changes DIY landscaping projects. The MMS MS10H 1-ton Mini Excavator is a compact crawler digger built for homeowners, small contractors, and property owners who need real digging power without oversized equipment. It runs on a 13.5 horsepower Rado gasoline engine and weighs about 1 ton, making it small enough to fit through standard gates, yet strong enough to dig trenches up to 5.7 feet deep. It comes standard with a hydraulic thumb and a 3-way flow control valve, so it can both dig and grab materials like rocks, logs, and debris. This is not just a machine. It is a practical solution for landscaping, trenching, farm work, and backyard projects where renting heavy equipment feels excessive. Imagine finishing those projects on your own schedule without coordinating rental returns. The biggest win with the MMS MS10H 1-ton Mini Excavator is control. You gain digging depth up to 1,750 millimeters and a 10-foot reach without needing a full-size machine. That means faster trenching for irrigation, cleaner footing lines for decks, and more accurate grading in tight yards. Second, versatility. The included hydraulic thumb allows you to grab rocks, stumps, and debris without switching machines. You dig, you grab, you move on. Here is where it gets interesting. The 3-way flow control valve lets you operate 2 hydraulic functions smoothly, reducing jerky motion and improving precision. Less correction, less wasted time. Compact size matters too. At just 930 millimeters wide, it fits through gates and works close to fences thanks to the small swing radius. And delivery with unloading included removes one more barrier to ownership. Would you rather rent again next month or own the tool outright? Picture a homeowner installing irrigation lines across a backyard. Before the MMS MS10H 1-ton Mini Excavator, that meant hours with a shovel or hundreds spent on rentals. The soil is uneven, access is tight, and progress feels slow. Then the machine arrives. Within minutes, the trench reaches proper depth. The 380-millimeter bucket cuts clean lines. When rocks appear, the hydraulic thumb grabs and lifts them out without switching tools. The turning point is obvious. Work that once felt exhausting becomes controlled and predictable. There is a brief adjustment period. Some operators mention the controls feel slightly jumpy at first, but after a few passes, the hydraulics become intuitive. Confidence builds quickly. By the end of the project, trenches are clean, debris is stacked, and time is saved. Not dramatic, just efficient. After testing a few compact machines, one thing became clear. Don't just pick any mini excavator. Make sure it has a hydraulic thumb included as standard, so you never waste your time on switching attachments or struggling to move heavy debris again. The MMS MS10H 1-ton Mini Excavator includes that thumb from day one. No extra purchase. The 13.5 horsepower ratio engine delivers consistent power at 3,600 revolutions per minute, and the machine carries a 1,000 kilogram operating weight for balance stability. With a 5.7-foot digging depth and 10-foot reach, it covers most residential excavation needs. Industry reviews highlight its compact footprint and smooth hydraulic response. Verified buyers repeatedly mention that it works straight out of the box and praise the included delivery and unloading service. One professional landscaper noted that it paid for itself by replacing repeated rental costs. Which result matters most to you? 1 for speed, 2 for control, 3 for long-term savings. The machine carries a 1-year warranty on core components and is CE certified. Those details matter when investing in equipment. The MMS MS10H 1-ton Mini Excavator turns demanding outdoor projects into manageable work you control. It combines compact access, hydraulic precision, and real digging depth in one practical machine. Thousands of property owners and contractors already rely on this size class daily. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your needs. I've dropped the link in the description and pinned comment. Take a look. You deserve equipment that works as hard as you do.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.